Welcome to another super video. Today nobody's here telling me. Today I'm reading this book. Comment down below if you heard of this book and also promise to subscribe, like the video. Do everything help us, so let's get reading it. I'm a tractor. Hello, I'm a busy tractor on a busy farm. I have a lot to do today. Come along with me. Good job, Rooster. Your cock-a-doodle-doo tells us the day is starting. Here's our new cow. She will grow big and strong and give sweet milk like her mother. Wow, look at our garden. We grow lots of vegetables that I help harvest in the summer and fall. Where are you going, horses? Oh, I think they see a crunchy snack. There's always something to do on a busy farm. Thanks for helping me today. The end. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like our videos. Do everything help us. Well, bye. And comment down below if you heard of this book. Well, bye.